Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to crack the password of a router. As you can see, I forget the username and password here. So let's see how to do it. So basically, you should know the basic terms of a router when a router boots up. So as you can see here, when a router boots up, it's load IOS from flash and make a copy of startup configuration from NVRAM and copy it to RAM. So our all configuration which we made is stored in startup configuration. So we have to bypass this configuration like this. We have to bypass this configuration. So what we have to do, we have to change the registry value. As you can see here, by default 0x2102 is registry value of a router. Now what we have to do, we have to change this value to 0x2142. So let's see how we can achieve it. Here, first of all, we have to go to physical configuration of router and we have to turn off the switch of router and restart it. While decompressing, we have to press control and break key. Control and break key. Okay. Now you will see Roman 1 and we have to change the configuration value. Con break 0x2142 and reset. Self decompressing the image. So you can see continue with configuration dialog. When you see this dialog, that means you have bypassed the startup configuration. You just press no. And now you can see here we are in the access of router. Enable. Sorry. Show running. Now you have a core blank running configuration. And if you want to see startup configuration, you can see here a username and a password of MD5 hash, as you can see here. Now what we have to do, we do not need to delete our startup configuration. So we have to copy our startup configuration to running configuration. For that, copy startup to running configuration. Now you can see my configuration has been changed, but you still didn't get the password. Now you have to change the password. As you can see here, show run. You do not know the password of user Umesh, so you can manually change it. Now I change the password of my router and write it. Now give the password which I have provided it. So as you can see here, now I'm in the prompt of router. So we break the password. Now one thing more you need to do, you have to change the registry value to 0x2102. Otherwise, if you will do not change this value, then your router will boot up and will not load the startup configuration. So now, if you find this video is very useful, then please share it and like my page and subscribe my page. Thank you.